Okay, the last couple of days you spent working on your stock report card, and you were looking at different companies, deciding whether or not they might be a good company to invest in. So we're going to take that information and we're going to actually start investing. So if you click on assignment 2.1 under topic 2, how the market works, we're going to get started on this. A couple of things that you need to know though. Before you start investing, every time you buy or sell stock, it's going to cost you $50, because one of the three good things to do when you're investing are to start young, buy and hold, and diversify. So that's why the $50 sales commission, and it is quite realistic. Again, you cannot invest in stock that's under $5, and you can only invest in stocks listed on the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, or the American Exchange. I did include mutual funds. This is the first time that I'm going to try this. Now, mutual funds, I haven't talked about them. I'll talk more about them later in the semester. But basically what mutual funds are is an investing tool that you can kind of design or tailor to your own needs. Basically what they do is they combine stocks and bonds. Bonds are very safe. They're backed usually by cities, the government, whatever. They don't pay such a high dividend, but they're very safe. So you're guaranteed, you have a greater guarantee. And you mix the stocks and bonds. More stocks is a little bit risky, more bonds is safer. So, and a good, when you go into, if you want to look up mutual funds, go into Yahoo Finance. You can just type in Vanguard, VANGUARD, and they'll give you a whole list of different types of mutual funds. But, so those are the conditions. If you click on How the Market Works guide, you need to find your particular hour. So hour 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. And each hour has a specific password, or a different password rather, because each hour is going to be in a competition. So let's just take a look at hour 5. Password's hour 5, no space between hour and 5. If you control click on this link, okay, you have problems, we're having some problems at school today, but just press F5 to refresh, or just wait a second or two. There we go. And it takes you to this website. Okay, I'm going to log out. It automatically logs me in. But I'm going to log out and show you the steps that you need to go through. Actually, I think I'm going to take you back one. We'll just do this. If you click on move that. If it says status in hour 5 or whatever your hour is, just click on Join Me. And then click on Sign Up for Free. And it's going to ask you for some information. So first name, I need to come up with a different first name. Your email, you can use your Gaggle email account. I need to use a different one. I've used both my school emails. And then unclick the second box here. If you don't, you're going to be getting a lot of spam mail. And then click on register. User already registered. So I got to try a different email. Yours should work. And if you actually go ahead and use your Gaggle email, and it's going to be your first 5 letters of your last name, first 3 letters of your first name, 000 at pointschools.gaggle.net. Mine's a little bit different, but that's okay. Again, uncheck that, click on register. Let's see if it works this time. There we go. Click on continue. And then it's going to ask you to log back in. So you need to type in your password. Click on go. And then your private contest password. Now, this contest is going to be running all semester. It ends January 15th. Once you get to this screen, go ahead and click on Stock Game. And then you need to go down to Trade Now. This is where you're going to start your buying of stock. Okay, one little thing that's good to know here. If you go right here on where it says Enable, click on that. And if you get this screen, click on, go to the top and just click on Run this time. I'm in Chrome, and this is what comes up. If it doesn't work in Explorer or Google, you might want to try Chrome, download it. But right here, this is kind of a very handy thing to do. Okay, again, right here, it says amount to spend. You got $10,000. What this will do is this quick quote area. Let's say we want to buy some stock in Apple. You need to type in the stock symbol code. You're going to get a quote. And right now, it's asking $667.29. So let's say we want to spend $3,500. Type in the 35, type in the 667.22. Hit calculate, so you can buy 5 shares. You can only buy shares in full numbers, in whole numbers rather. Click on buy up here. We're going to type in 5. We're going to type in 667.22. You're going to trade now. Oops, I must have made a mistake. 5 AAPL. Trade now. And then it's going to ask you, you need to confirm it. So you're going to click on yes. And you just bought yourself some stock. Right here. Okay, go back to trade now, and you're going to diversify so that you come up with 3 to 5 different companies, 3 to 5 different stock, and you're going to continue investing. The first day, I just want you to spend about half your money, about $5,000 or so, and then we'll finish up tomorrow. Again, if you have any questions, if you want to go back into Yahoo Finance, you can look up different companies, or you can go on the left side of the screen, and it's got a lot of good information here. It's got recommendations, companies to buy. It's got popular stocks, top 500 companies. It might give you some ideas. So, have fun and good stock buying.